Biggest challenge is not going first and answering this question because the other panelists have hit the highlights. But, one of the things that we're focusing on is stovepipes and doing away with stovepipes. If you have a legacy application that services your small organization and, you move that into the cloud and it continues to be a stovepipe centered around a small organization, you really haven't changed anything. What we're seeking to do is promote capabilities from locally relevant to globally relevant so that they can service our entire enterprise. And one of the keys in doing that is to have a standard database of identity for everyone in our enterprise, the Department of Defense, and have standard mechanisms for authenticating whether or not a user should have access to a particular service or a piece of data. And by doing that, we break down many of the barriers that we have to data information sharing. Our IT, the way it's traditionally been designed, often impedes information sharing because we have silos and stovepipes that have local databases of account information. If you're not in that database, you cannot possibly access the information. We want to move away from that and instead control access based on a user's identity and their attributes, their clearance, their job function, their need to know, as opposed to the fact that they happen to be someone who's part of a local organization.